Hi guys, thank you for being so supportive. So today this video is gonna be about cooking chapati, and I'm so excited to cook chapati for the first time. It's a Kenyan dish which is a special meal, especially during the special occasions. Christmas is coming, which I'm so excited about, and that's why I'm cooking chapati today. So if you want to see how my chapatis are going to come out, please watch this video at the end. And Merry Christmas everyone. For those who are not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to Tita Fitness, because I'm looking forward to bring a different energy next year, making a lot of videos, especially if you're looking to transition your fitness or take your fitness to another level. If you're looking forward to learn so much about nutrition, traveling, all of them, I'm going to cover them. So just be part of the group. Let's get started with our chapati. So for our chapati, we are going to use the gold all-purpose flour. So this is the one that I got. I know most of the people use different kind of flours, but I'm just going to go with the gold all-purpose flour. So all-purpose flour will be able to give you a good chapati. And this is what you need. You also need canola oil. You don't have to have canola, just use olive oil, avocado, and also sea salt. I know some people like the chapatis kind of tasting some sweetness. They put sugar, but I'm not going to use sugar. So it's just canola oil. We have sea salt and all-purpose gold flour. Let's get started. I'm so excited. A lot of people think it's an easy process. It's so hard. You know why it's so hard? It's so hard to make it round, because it's supposed to come out round. So guys, I'm going to sneak in some information to you. In Kenya, where I come from, cooking chapati is such a big thing, and most of the people, they don't know how to cook chapati. If it comes out really well today, I will be part of the 10% of the men, Kenyan men, who can cook chapati. So you see my value is going up. I'm kidding. But it's very true. Just a few Kenyan men who will cook chapati, and a few Kenyan women who can also cook chapati. So when it comes to cooking, it's such a big thing in my country, back home where I come from. Cooking is considered to be one of the kind of big things for women who are getting married, and even men. So how did I learn how to cook? Growing up, I used to cook for my family, for my sisters when my parents were away. So that's how I started learning how to cook. I don't have to use the recipes online. If you just show me the food, if you ask me, especially about the Kenyan foods, I don't know about other cultures and all that, unless I use the recipes. But most of them, I can cook more than 20 or 30 different kind of meals. But using banana, using flour, using sweet potatoes, meat, any kind of meat and all that. So yeah, let's get started. I'm warming up. As you can see, I think the long process will be making the chapati flour ready. When it comes to cooking chapati themselves, it's very easy, but this process of making the chapati flour, adding some oil, coiling them together, leaving them to stay for at least up to 15 minutes before you start cooking chapati. That's the only kind of long process for most of the people. If you don't do well on this side, that means your outcomes, the chapatis, might not be soft. So most of the people don't know how to do this process. But as you can see, I just finished kneading the dough into small pieces for easy loading, so that we can start making those round chapatis. So the focus here will be making something which is round, instead of making them coming out like a triangle and all that. I just want them to be like a big circle, and making sure the thickness balances around. It's not too thick, because sometimes if you make them like too thick, they don't cook properly. So guys, stay with me here. This is the process that is going to take longer, and then when it comes to cooking chapati themselves, it's gonna be so easy. I wish I was giving everyone at least one chapati to try them and tell me what they think about my first chapatis. When it comes to this side, you're supposed to have someone to help you so that they can make the chapati and as you cook, but I was by myself, so that's why I'm multitasking, which makes the process longer. But again, once you put that chapati inside, you have to make sure that you are turning it around so that it doesn't stick on the pan. So see the outcome. That's ready to be eaten. You have to transfer them to something which is going to keep them warm. So I have a bread, like one of the bread somewhere, to put them inside, stay warm, and you're gonna keep them warm the entire time. And these chapatis, you can eat them with beef stew or beans, or like something like which is more like protein, or sometimes with even greens. See guys, see this guys. So from today I'm the best chapati cook. It's very soft, so you are supposed to eat it with stew or like stew with some greens, or you can eat it with beans. You can eat chapati with a lot of things. So let me know what you think. I know they are not round, all of them, especially this one. Let's take this one out. Look at this one. I'm going to try one for the camera. This one. So you can eat it without anything. So good. Guys, if you're watching this video, make sure you subscribe to Atita Fitness. Let me know what you think about my chapatis. See you on the next one. Bye.